In this video, let me show you how to fix the Telegram flood wait error. Welcome back everyone to this new tutorial video. Now this issue mainly happens when you try to log in multiple times or have attempted to log in multiple times using the exact IP address that you're currently using. So in this situation, what you need to do is identify the wait and time cooldown. The restriction can be anywhere from 15 to 48 hours depending upon the severity of your flag spam. So what you need to do is just wait out and try it out and try to log in within a few hours. So this is the issue what most people face. If this is not the case for you, the other thing that you can also try out is try to switch your network. If your current IP is having the issue, what you can do is try switching to your cellular data and vice versa. Also, what you need to do is try to reinstall or try to clear out the app cache. What you need to do is tap and hold the app of Telegram, head over to the eye icon. Once you're inside, head over to storage and then tap on the clear cache option. What this does is removes any sort of corrupted files and will also reset your Telegram. So these are the few things that you can try out in order to fix the Telegram flood wait error. If this video did help you out, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.